Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is that Volkswagen guy talking, and today I am going to show you how to refill your AC system on the cheap. So the first things you got to do is turn on your car. So let's do that. So the car is on. Next thing we got to do is turn on your fan full blast with the AC. So I'm going to do that now before it gets too loud in here, and then I'm going to pop the trunk and then I'll show you what to do. So AC is on. Let's go. Alright, so with the hood open, gotta find your low access point here. Connect this to that. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so with the can upside down, as you see, I am reading about 30 pounds of pressure right here. Let's pull the trigger and let it watch. Alright, so we are full. Alright, so I'm recording this bit just in case you didn't hear me over the engine running. Basically, what you want to do is be in the blue pretty much, anywhere between 25 and 45 pounds of pressure. Now, if you hooked it up and it's reading like anywhere above here, like in the red here, so anywhere past 65 to 200 psi, you have an issue with your AC system and you should probably get that fixed. But anyways, that's how you refill your AC system on the cheap. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, everybody.